Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace the battery in your Garmin inReach Explorer Plus handheld navigator. Let's get started. First, use a Torx T3 screwdriver to loosen the back cover. Unplug the battery from the main board. Use a pry tool to carefully remove the battery from the back cover. And replace it with the Garmin Sino CS-GRS735SL battery. Secure it on the back cover with a double-sided adhesive. Reconnect the battery to the main board. Put the back cover back in place, and fasten its screw. And that is, you have successfully replaced the battery in your Garmin inReach Explorer Plus handheld navigator. Thanks for watching.